Hi children, good morning all of you. Now welcome you all to today's videos class. Now the previous video we have seen the grammar part, that is the prepositions and articles. All of you have done well. Hope you have understood about prepositions and articles. So today we are going to look into the writing part. Okay, so let us see the writing skill. So children, look at the writing part over here. Write a paragraph on J.C. Bose using the hints given below. You must use the right linkers to join the sentences. Okay, so here the clues are given. So you have to write a paragraph using these clues about Jagdish Chandra Bose. J.C. Bose means Jagdish Chandra Bose. Okay, and use proper linkers and join. See, like J.C. Bose, Jagdish Chandra Bose was a great Indian scientist. Like that, you have to join using this thing. Just don't write putting dashes like this. Okay, you create a paragraph and write according to the information given over here. Understood? Just you have to elaborate it and write it as a paragraph. So can you do it? So complete this. See the clues given below over here and properly frame a sentence and write it. Okay children, so put the heading as Jagdish Chandra Bose and then start the paragraph. Okay, so now the next one is a passage given below and it has a few errors in the use of capital letters, verbs, prepositions and articles. Okay, so you have to edit the passage, means you have to correct the passage by underlining the incorrect parts and writing them correctly over the space available. Understood? So you have to note down. If you have the textbooks, you can do it in the textbooks itself. Otherwise you can just write it in your notebook. Okay children, just I will read out and tell you what are the mistakes, the errors in it. Now look at the passage. Raman was born on November 7, 1888. Now see what is wrong. Already it is done for you. Born, B-O-R-N-E. The spelling of it is wrong. So just you have to underline B-O-R-N-E. It is not B-O-R-N-E. It is B-O-R-N. The spelling of born is B-O-R-N. So underline B-O-R-N-E and write it as born. It's already done for you. Okay. In Tiruchirappalli at Tamil Nadu. Now look at, now Tiruchirappalli and Tamil Nadu are names of places. So it's proper noun. So what we should do? We should write it in capital letters. So Tiruchirappalli, T you have to write it in capital letter, and Tamil Nadu also, Tamil Nadu, T and N also should be in capital letters. Understood children? And here you see the prepositions given before these places are wrong. So underline the prepositions in and at. So what is before Tiruchirappalli is a small place. Whenever in a bigger, in a state, if you have a small place, what we have to use there? We have to use at. So at Tiruchirappalli and in Tamil Nadu. So here you have to correct the prepositions at Tiruchirappalli and in Tamil Nadu. And also you have to write the capital letters for these places. Understood children? The errors in the first sentence. Next, he finishes his MA course. He finishes. So here the tense is wrong. It should be in past tense. Finishes is wrong. Underline finishes. If in past tense, what you should write there? Finished. Okay children. So he finished his MA course. Now MA, how will you write any abbreviations? You have to write it in capital letters. So underline MA and write it in capital letters. Okay, MA course at Presidency College in Chennai. Now college also you have to write it in capital letter. Presidency College. It's so name of a college. So C also will be in capital letter. And in Chennai, Chennai is also a place, name of a place. So you have to write it capital letter. C also in capital letter. So underline what all mistakes are there and write it again. Okay. Now write it with any other ink, any other color. Like suppose you will note down with blue pen, then write it with red pen. All the corrections you just underline and write with red pen. Okay. Now he became member of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. So here he became member, we cannot say, we should write he became a member. The article a is missing over here. Okay, before member you have to write a member of the Indian Association for Cultivation. Now look at all this, it is Indian, the I is small letter over here. So Indian I, you have to write the capital letter, association A capital letter, and cultivation of science, cultivation and science also you have to add the capital letter in the beginning. Understood? Now he took up a administrative job in finance. So he took up a administrative job is wrong. So I told you administrative, here a comes. So what should come before that article? Will a come or an come? So here an should come. He took up an administrative job. Okay, a is wrong. Underline a over there and write it as an administrative job in the finance ministry in Kolkata. So finance is wrong over here. Finance, F capital letter should be there. Okay, finance ministry in Calcutta. Ministry again M capital letter. In Calcutta you can just write down, now it is not Calcutta or Kolkata. You have to write down the spelling of Kolkata. Kolkata, Kolkata, with K capital letter. Okay, next, he was elected to the Royal Society of London. Now Royal Society again R and S should be capital letter. Okay, so Royal Society of London in 1924. And the British, again here B is small letter, British you have to write capital letter. British, B capital letter. Now government made him a knight of the British Empire. Now here again British B capital letter and government G capital letter. You have to write G also as capital letter only. Next, made him a knight of the British Empire. Here knight, K-N-I-G-H-T. K is also capital letter and B, British, B also is capital letter. Empire also you have to write E capital letter over here. Okay, in 1929 he was now first Indian scholar. Now here first is always now an ordinal number. Any ordinal, before any ordinal numbers also you have to use the article. Now here before first he was the, you have to add the article over here. First Indian, Indian again I is capital letter and here scholar also S you have to write capital letter. Okay, are you able to understand, children? Now here he was the first Indian scholar who studied wholly in India. Now India again I should be in capital letter and received the Nobel Prize. Here Nobel Prize N and P should be in capital letters. So all of you, have you understood this? All the errors that I have told you, this you have to write it in your notebook. Note down, and you need not write the complete what is the mistake paragraph, what is there. Just correct it and write whatever corrections you have done, write it with red pen, writing the whole paragraph. Rewrite the whole paragraph and wherever the mistake is there you write it with the red pen. Okay, so I think you have understood what is the assignment of this. And now let us see the study skills. So here is 2 pie charts given. So it is a distribution of weight in human body. So here study the pie chart carefully and answer the questions. I think you can do it easily. So this is also your assignment today. You have to write the paragraph and you have to write even the errors that I have told you, and also study these pie charts and answer these questions. Let's look into the listening skills. So here you have a passage, the inventor of inventors. So you have to listen carefully to this passage, what I'm going to read, and then answer the questions that follow. Okay, the inventor of inventors. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. It is written by Thomas Alva Edison. Now, Thomas Alva Edison, the greatest inventor of all times, is the most suitable example of his own saying. This great outstanding US inventor had the credit of making 1001 inventions. Can you imagine a world without electric light, recorded music, cinema, etc., which are the contributions of this great genius? Edison was born on February 11, 1847 at Milan, Ohio. His father was in charge of a lighthouse at Lake Huron. Although he could not continue his studies in school, he was very inquisitive from his boyhood to learn by understanding. When he was only 10 years old, he set up a laboratory in the basement of his father's workplace. He loved to mix liquids and powders to observe the reactions. At the age of 12, he began selling newspapers and candy in trains. As a very keen observer, he learned some preliminary techniques of telegraphy from the station master, which led him later to work as a roving telegrapher. During his stint as a supervisor in a telegraph company, he created a stock printer. With the money received from it, he set up a laboratory for carrying out his experiments and research work. In subsequent years, he invented phonograph, the machine for recording and reproducing sound. Edison thus made man's voice immortal. In 1878, he demonstrated the light bulb, a carbon filament electric bulb. While experimenting on electric lamp, he discovered an important scientific principle known as Edison effect. This discovery led to the invention of electron valves, and the modern electronics industry rests on this principle. In 1882, he set up a power generating station which supplied power to a few residents of New York City. Later, he developed the kintograph, which was the first step towards motion picture camera. Cinema houses are here today because of the inventive genius of Edison. His other inventions include the spheres of X-rays, telephone, and other electronic items. His inventions made him one of the richest men in America. This great genius passed away on 18th October 1931. So, children, you have listened to this listening skills. Now you have to answer the questions. So say whether the following statements are true or false. This you have to write it true or false, and also list of inventions you have to put the list of put a right against the list of inventions that is invented by Edison. So this is also your assignment. Then we complete the we complete the lesson 1, the textbook exercises what you have done, and then in the next class we shall go with the poem that is its change. Okay, so you have to complete all these exercises today, whatever I have told you about the writing skills and the errors that I have told you, that paragraph, and also the study skills, and this all these 4 Romans you have to complete. Okay children, till then stay tuned. Bye.